psychological barrier. Psychological barrier is further divided into 4 types: selective listening, negative listening, personal listening, poor motivation. How can be an effective listener? Establish eye contact with the speaker, take notes effectively, be a physical involved listener, avoid negative mannerism, exercise your listening muscles, follow the golden rules. Now the 8 commandments by Keith Day. Number 1 is stop talking, put the talkers at ease so he may not be confused, show him that you want to listen to him, remove distractions, be patient, hold your temper, go easy on arguments and criticism, ask questions. Now I call
ठीक है आपको मैं वॉर्म कर रहा हूँ रोल नंबर क्या है आपका 70
You want the movers are here to present you the accession skills. Accession skills communicate in the same format and open expression of your needs, desires, thoughts, and feelings. Static skills. It has 3 behavior continuum: submissive behavior, assertive behaviors, and aggressive behaviors. Submissive behavior means submissive behavior, you can't express your personality truly, you speak dishonestly, you cheat with others. Aggressive behavior means you speak loudly, you show your attitudes to others. And at last, aggressive behavior. Aggressive behavior means you stand for your own rights, not for others. There are 3 parts of assertion message, that is I, the use of I. It is basically the negative and not compulsory part of the message. Behavior means you show your behavior in the message, your feelings and effects. That is not compulsory, but you show. Non-judgmental description of behavior. Be specific means you ignore the rules of the organization. For example, you come late in an organization. Don't draw inferences means you break down the rules of an organization that creates a wrong impact in an organization. That means you come in the meeting and after 10 minutes you just leave the meeting just because of trending environment. The objective means you ignore your rules and treat badly, resolving conflict. Now I invite to Salman Khalid to express conflict.
For a long time, the people who are in authority, they just tell their juniors how to do, what to do, how to do and what to do it. But now the time, and their juniors have to listen it and do as the same. But now the time is changing, and everybody wants to be heard and wants to pay attention. So since we know that everybody has this different mind of thought and views, so there are some conflicts in, there are conflicts. Sorry for interrupting that. Mark, please.
स्लाइड्स के साथ थोड़ा
कोई मसला नहीं है, टेक योर टाइम कर ले अगर आपने आना है किसी को
heard and wants to get paid attention. So they want to communicate their own ideas and their own conflicts. Conflict resolution. For conflict resolution, you should be knowing what the conflicts are, why they are, from where from where they are popping, you should be knowing what are the skills you are going to use it and how you are going to use it. Okay, talking about conflict. What really are conflicts? Conflicts are the disagreements or opposition between two people or two groups of people. Conflicts can occur at college, school, in office, or even at your home. Wherever and whenever you have people dealing with people, meeting the deadline, you certainly have conflicts. Types of conflicts. There are generally three types of conflicts which pop up. Pre-existing conflicts are those which exist due to some previous data which has been delivered, and the conflicts that which occur deadline are not being solved. So they carry spontaneous action. Spontaneous action, like now I am delivering, and some of you may disagree with me and stop me and put up a question. That will be a spontaneous action. And if a bunch of that such reactions came, that will accumulate to responses. Okay, now there are two levels of conflict: informal conflict and formal conflict. For informal conflict, you don't need to have much worry about because they can be solved easily. But formal conflict, you have to work hard and it takes hard skills to resolve them because you have to understand your listeners, what they have listened and seen. And main key points to solve the conflict. You should have great listening skills, flexibility, willingness to change, and agree to disagree. Since my friend has told a lot about listening skills, so I don't think they will be. Okay, and rest of it, you should be able to adjust yourself in any situation from where you are standing, and if there you think there is a change that you should change yourself, there is a need to change yourself, you should certainly do that. And remember, always support your partners, because you always be working as a team. No fun with you.
Roll over, please.
66.
About life. Number two, be appreciative. Be appreciative. Find a positive thing in a person who is working with you and let him there. And
पहला ग्रुप आएगा.
Thank you when someone helps you. Bringing people together. Create an environment to encourage people to work together. Resolve conflicts. Try to take a step to bring people and resolve the conflict if any arises. Communicate clearly. Pay close attention to both what you say and how you say it. Practice pay attention to others. Make eye contact and call the person with their first name. Ask others for their opinion. Practice active listening. Try active listening to demonstrate that you hear and understood another point of view, another person's point of view. See it from their side. Try to view the situation from the other side. Some quick tips. Listen first. Communication is a two-way process. Getting your message across depends on understanding the other person. Be interested in the people you are communicating with. Be relaxed. Bad body language. Bad body language gives a game away. Smile and eye contact. Ask questions. Now I would like to conclude our whole presentation. No matter how hard work and how brilliant you are in a life, if you can't connect with the people, your professional as well as your personal life will suffer. The good news is that there are several things that you can do to improve your social skills. Use them and you will ultimately help you success in your life.